Hello children, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good, happy and healthy. I am also doing happy and healthy as well. Yes, please like, share, subscribe to my channel to see more videos. I have uploaded different birds these days. Whatever I see, or I'm asking few friends also if they have this is summer, right? Everyone is like going to different places and they're recording or like taking pictures of few birds, and I'm also going out to find few birds so that I could make the video out of it and make into a shot so that you all can enjoy those different birds that we generally not see them or see, or they might fly away whenever we observe. Actually, we try to observe them. So I'm trying to collect those all birds, children. Yes, so let us enter into today's topic. It's a story. Actually, it's not a topic, it's a story. The enormous turnip. Turnip is a vegetable, children. So let us get into it. So why it is enormous? Because it is very, very big. Okay, how much big? Let us see. Okay, so, once upon a time, there lived a little old man and a little old woman. So, they both are old couple who are living together. Okay, one day, the little old man planted some turnip seeds. Means these are the turnips, children. They look like these. This is a root vegetable, children. Means what? It grows under the soil. Inside the soil, it will grow. Let us see how it grows also. Okay. So, what happened? After he has planted the seeds and watered them, what will happen? One of the turnips grew a little bit. Did you see this? A little bit of growth is there over here. Yes, and again it grew next day, and until it was a very big or gigantic one. Okay, and what happened next? Let us see. The little old man pulled and pulled and pulled, but the turnip would not budge. What happened here? The little old man pulled and pulled, but the turnip did not budge, means it did not move at all. So now what he has to do? If one cannot do the work, he's gonna take help. Am I right? He's gonna take help of some other person. So the little old man shouted for his wife to help. Okay, together they pulled and pulled, but still the turnip would not budge. What happened? The turnip did not even move a little bit. They were like pulling and pulling and pulling, but still the turnip did not move at all. Now what will they do? Let us see. Oh, there was a little man standing there. So they called the little man and they asked to come and help. The old man has called the boy to come and help them. Okay, they thought he was a man, he was like crossing the way, but when they saw he was a boy. Okay, so he also came, he also joined now, and together they all pulled and pulled and pulled, but the turnip did not even move a little bit. The three were pulling and pulling, but still the turnip did not move a little bit also. All right, now what happened? The old man saw a girl and they asked them for help. So now the girl also joined them. Together, the four people started pulling. Pulled and pulled and pulled. Still, the turnip would not budge. Now what happened? The team worked, four members are pulling the turnip, but still it did not move. Now what happened? There's a dog which was like observing everything. It just came probably out there. So the little old man, the little old woman, the boy and the girl shouted to the little old man's dog to help them. Oh, now I understood. The dog is his pet. That's why they have called for help. Now all of them will start together. They all pulled and pulled and pulled, but still the turnip would not budge. Now the turnip did not even move. How many people? 1, 2, 3, 4 people and a dog were trying to pull the turnip so that it would come out, pop out. Pop should be the sound, right? Yes, but it did not move a little. Now, so the little man and the little old woman, the boy, the girl, and the dog called the little old woman's cat to help. Now there's a cat over here. Beautiful cat. What's the sound of the cat? What's the sound that it makes? Meow meow. And the dog? Oof oof, right? Okay, now how many people are pulling? 4 people, 1 dog, and now a cat also joined. They all together pulled and pulled and pulled, but still the turnip would not budge. Now the turnip did not budge till now. Okay, let us see now what will happen. Oh my God, what is this? This is a little, what is that? Mouse. So the little man, the little old man, the little old woman, the boy, the girl, the dog and the cat called the farmer's mouse to help. Farmhouse's mouse is there over here. Okay, it came to help them. So together they all pulled and pulled and pulled, and suddenly something happened. Out popped the enormous turnip. What's the sound? Pop was the sound when the turnip popped out suddenly. So, what happened till now? You have to tell me, children. What exactly happened? First, the old man tried to pull the turnip, right? Am I right or not? It did not move. Then the old woman, his wife, came over there. They both pulled it. It did not move. The turnip did not move. And they joined a boy, third person. Still the turnip did not move. And there was a girl who joined them. 4 people pulled together the turnip. They tried, pulled and pulled and pulled. But still the turnip did not even move a little bit. Then came a dog, then a cat, then lastly a mouse. Right? All right. Let us see what happened. The little old man was very pleased, invited everyone round for a turnip dinner. That's so nice, so sweet of him, right? So everyone has done a very good job and everyone needs a treat. Am I right or not? So everyone were so happy that they got a turnip soup or a turnip curry or a turnip pie. Probably they would have enjoyed that day as their dinner. So children, the importance of teamwork and unity as in the characters where we have seen here, working together are able to pull out the giant turnip, a task no one could accomplish alone. Means what? One person single-handedly could not pull it. Neither 2, neither 3, neither 4. Okay, 4 people also could not do it. Am I right or not? How many were there? 4 people were there. 3 animals were there. They all were working together. Combinedly, they were working together to make this a success. Finally, the turnip popped out and they all had a delicious dinner. Am I right? Yes. I hope you all have enjoyed today's story, children. We'll meet again in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.